So I was instantly drawn to KW Ballantyne as soon as I walked through the doors. Cheesy or not, it is what it is. I am somebody that wants to know everything, and yet I knew nothing when I started real estate. So the training at KW really, really appealed to me, especially at KW Ballantyne. Having these super successful agents literally like volunteering to spend their time to teach me. First of all, I thought wasn't really real. It was just a talking point to get me to join the firm. Couldn't be further from the truth. 9 years in, I still attend trainings. I now teach agents and coach agents, but I still have questions all the time. And training and culture at KW Ballantyne there's nothing like it. Whether we're supporting each other at open houses or sharing listings or sharing things that we're having difficulty with, there's just always someone that you can count on and call for a question or help or even just to vent about things. Something that I really, really love about Keller Williams Ballantyne is that we are empowered as agents to own our own business and really be a business owner. And what does that mean? That means thinking about real estate differently, again, as a business, and putting systems into place, using leverage. I'm a control freak, I'm a perfectionist, and I did not understand that concept until I learned it at Keller Williams. Whether it was training classes or from a coach or from other successful agents, and now I have leverage to either increase my business and or get some time back. And again, just nothing I would have ever thought of, and I'm super, super thankful for KW Ballantyne for teaching us that. So for me, the 5 reasons why I recommend everybody join Keller Williams: number 1, culture; number 2, technology; number 3, training; number 4, profit share; and number 5, opportunity for growth.